Hello! In this video, I will show you how to install Sucrose Wallpaper Engine. First, locate and open your Microsoft Store application. Then, in the Microsoft Store interface, find the search bar and type in Sucrose Wallpaper Engine. The application should appear in the search results even before you finish typing. Select Sucrose Wallpaper Engine from the results. You will be taken to the detailed information page for Sucrose Wallpaper Engine. Click on the Install or Get button. Once the download begins, the download duration may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, the installation process will start. After the installation is finished, you can start using Sucrose Wallpaper Engine. See you in the next video. Goodbye.